Hey guys, it's me, Aiden, and I'm here with another Christmas Advent Calendar. And today, we're doing the last day, 24. It is currently the 24th of December, and it's a Monday. So it's Christmas Eve today. So, as you can see, I'm still in my pajamas again. I just finished playing PS4 with my sister, and we're watching Elf, and we're watching Elf, if you can hear it in the background, and we're just having fun and relaxing at home. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yep, I got the snowman. The final one of this set. So comment down below if you're doing anything special over the break, like maybe you're going on a family trip, maybe you're just having fun, who knows. But comment down below and tell us what you're doing. December went by in a flash. It was really short. I thought it would be longer, but no, tomorrow's already Christmas. So it's been long. It's felt short, but it's gone by really fast. So I'm done the final one. It's a little snowman, and he has a little resistance helmet. He sits on a little pad, like a little spot like this, and he has his little stick arms. And on the front of the set, I think it says he goes with this guy who's putting his helmet on it. So it looks like it's just going on like this. And then, yeah. So that was my final Christmas Advent Calendar Lego unboxing. And, yeah, tomorrow's Christmas, and it's currently the winter break, which means we get 2 weeks off, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.